welcome back to my channel. I'm Karina. Today I'm introducing a must-have for any kitchen, the stock pot stove. If you need power heat for heavy-duty cooking, this is your go-to solution. Are you interested? Keep watching. With ultra-high BTU, this stove handles high temperatures for cooking with ease, perfect for stir-frying or boiling large pots. It supports LNG or LPG, delivering efficient and eco-friendly combustion. Low gas consumption, save cost and fuels while keeping your cooking efficient. Its compact design, making it perfect for any kitchen layout, offering both stability and space-saving benefits. With unbeatable heat, durable construction, and efficient fuel consumption, this stove will elevate your kitchen's operations and boost your business. Want more info? Just comment below or email us directly. I'm Karina. I will see you next time. Bye.